First of all, can you introduce yourselves and your roles at Mantle?
Sure, yeah. My name's Leuze. I'm a customer success engineer over at Mantle, and I've been there for about 6 years.
Mike Skaja, sales director for Mantle, and I've been here coming up on 2 years.
Why is Mantle's technology relevant to medical device manufacturing?
Yeah, so Mantle's creating a way to do molding a little bit faster than you previously could and with more geometry flexibility, given the advantages of additive manufacturing.
Yeah, just piggyback on that. Obviously today everybody's running lean, competing against overseas, so big time on cost reduction, lead time reduction, and significant labor reduction.
Which areas of medical device production are seeing the strongest adoption of Mantle's technology right now?
That's a good question for Mike, I'd say.
Yeah, I'm going to be honest with you, Oliver, a little bit of everything, right? So we work with everybody that's doing medical device for enclosures, everything to implantables, so a lot of that smaller, really intricate detail. So just everybody, we cover everybody.
Surface finish and dimensional accuracy are critical in medical applications. How does Mantle's process compare to conventional methods when it comes to meeting those requirements?
Interesting question. Yeah, so Mantle's specs are stated for tolerance at about plus or minus 1 thou per part inch. Compared to conventional wire sinker EDM, I don't think that would hold up to the same tolerances. And our surface finish spec is about 1 to 3 RA. So it's pretty smooth and it's moldable out of the furnace, which I think compared to conventional may not be a huge improvement, but absolutely huge improvement on both fronts compared to other additive technologies.
Yeah, and just to kind of add to that, I would say the main thing with our finish is it's definitely best in class for metal 3D printing. It's, as you mentioned, 1 to 3 RA, which is equivalent to a Charmy's 26, medium EDM finish. So if you're doing internal parts where, cosmetics don't matter, you can print right off of our finish. There's no post-processing needed. However, due to our density and, our process, you can actually achieve an A1 diamond polish with us. So it behaves the same as your billet steel.
Mantle's recent acquisition by the Angstrom Group was a major milestone for the company. What does this mean and how will it impact your customers in the medtech industry?
Yeah, I'd say having additional funding and security is huge for Mantle, being able to provide support for their customers, so it's a big net positive.
Yeah, and again, just the startup days are over, right? No more hounding people for the series funding, and we're backed by a big name, so they're willing to put in some money and really get us, to the next step and start breaking into. And what I mean by next step is not, let's say, technology-wise, we always want to improve, but more international, right? Breaking into Europe, breaking into Southeast Asia, things like that. So that's what they're really going to help us do.
Looking ahead, what role do you see Mantle playing in the next generation of medical device innovation, especially as devices become smaller, more complex, and more customized?
Yeah, I would hope that reducing cycle time with conformal cooling or even unlocking materials that are harder to process, whether they're sustainable, renewable materials or just better for the human body or whatever we're doing.
Yeah, I'd say big thing for the OEMs is going to be their way to rapid prototype, right? To try out different variations. With us, you may have a certain area on your part where you want to try different geometries. You can print 30 different shapes and just switch them out to get the one that is the fit for you. So instead of, let's say making an insert, trying it, machining it, welding it, remachining it, you can just pop in different inserts and let it go. So speed to market.
And finally, what is one takeaway you want medtech engineers to leave MD&M West with after they visited Mantle?
Start with Mike.
Yeah, we're going to make your lives easier, right? We're going to help you get to market quicker again. The R&D guys at the OEMs, they love us. Again, make their lives easier, and that makes everybody's life easier.
Yeah, I'd say we could save a ton of your toolmaker time, which should be really valuable.
Perfect. Thank you very much for your time.
Thanks, Oliver.